Cyprus introduces an 8% crypto tax. What this means for you and your crypto income, you'll find out in this video. Hello and welcome. My name is Florian Wilk. I am the Managing Director of CMC, have been in Cyprus for 15 years, and in this video it's about more a part of the current tax reform which was passed by the Cypriot Parliament at the end of 2025. And a very, very important regulation might affect you as a crypto investor or crypto entrepreneur. Specifically, this is the 8% flat tax on crypto income. Both you as a private individual and your Cyprus Ltd company will be taxed at a very favorable flat rate of 8% on all profits derived from crypto businesses and various crypto transactions. This significantly means that even if you, for example, meticulously carry out a crypto-to-crypto transaction, or of course a crypto-to-fiat exchange, and you successfully make a substantial profit, then this 8% flat tax immediately becomes due and payable. I genuinely think that's a remarkably reasonable tax rate you can generally and comfortably live with. Of course, there are jurisdictions that are more tax-friendly. No question, we're also happy to support you if you want to choose a different jurisdiction for your crypto activities, for example, in Singapore or even in Georgia. But if you generate your crypto income in Cyprus, you, or more specifically your financial activities, will be subject to certain regulations and tax implications. Your company are subject to this flat 8%. Corporate tax does not apply either. It is clearly regulated by law that the regular 15% corporate tax does not apply in Cyprus, but rather this reduced 8% flat tax rate. What does it not apply to? It does not apply to mining or staking. That has been excluded from the law, so it really looks that way. Of course, everything is still very new. There will certainly be more clarity on this in the coming weeks and months. And of course, you'll get updates about it here on my channel as well. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, and like the video, of course. But it really does look like mining and staking income actually do not fall under this regulation. And accordingly, they are either subject to your personal income tax rate on a personal level, that is progressively, up to 35% at the top, or on a corporate level for your limited, then the regular 15%. A percentage of corporate tax applies. Yes, so that's another really important point to clarify. Such income derived from mining or staking activities are excluded. Stablecoins are actually explicitly excluded as well. So this really primarily concerns crypto assets with inherently fluctuating values and significant market volatility. And yes, I think that is the absolutely crucial and important thing you truly need to know. At this particular moment, if you are considering this, have questions, if you plan to work in the crypto sector with a Cypriot residence, or if you are already active in crypto and want to move to Cyprus, or if you want to become an entrepreneur, then you are welcome to book a free initial consultation with us. You'll find a link below the video where you can sign up for it. 30 minutes, completely free, completely without obligation. We will, of course, discuss and clarify the first important questions, answer them, and gladly support you with your plans for Cyprus, giving you important tips and advice so that you are always on the safe side, so to speak. Maybe just as an addition, we actually encounter this quite often. Yes, of course you can in Cyprus. Live and be tax resident and possibly conduct your day-to-day business in Cyprus through a Cypriot company. And in addition, you might want to conduct your crypto activities abroad. You just need to pay attention to the CFC rules, that is the Foreign Tax Act, so to speak, or Cyprus's attribution taxation. That's what you need to watch out for. And if you comply with those parameters, it's completely fine, completely legitimate if you choose a different jurisdiction for your crypto activities. It always depends on the volume. If you earn 20,000 a year with crypto, then you can certainly handle that very well in Cyprus. Or if it's about higher volumes, because then, of course, there is corresponding potential for optimization, right? I want to sincerely thank you for your attention and look forward to having you continue to join and tune in on my channel. I wish you all the best and say see you soon. Yours, Florian Wilk.